Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to do a little tutorial here, what to do if your Switch won't turn on while it's charging. So as you can see, if you press the home button or whatever, that little battery icon comes up, and there's a cure to that. So you see this like Nintendo thing right here? This is the cord that you use to charge it. So see down here in the bottom, you got to put it in. And then as you can see, it comes back on again. And then you have to wait an hour or so until it gets charged. And it'll still be on 1 or 2%. Don't play with it while it's charging because it's going to die again. I got so worried when this happened. I might make another video on how to do it on the TV if it doesn't work. But yeah, guys, there's a little tutorial video for you guys. Peace out, guys. I love you. Peace out.